So shower walls are different than the floor in the fact that it's got like Durarock or something behind it. So I don't want to smash like I'm doing down here. I don't want to do it down here either, but I don't want to smash these one by one by one by one. What I want to do is try to find between two studs and then over a little bit and maybe between the next two studs, and then take out like a chunk at a time. It's not, I don't know, it's neater, I think, and we'll see. It may not go as planned. I'll try to, I don't know how good this angle is going to be. That's as wide out as I get. So, looks like, let's see what kind of section I have. Okay, whoa, okay, so you're pretty much seeing the whole entire, okay. So I'm going to put my safety glasses on. Hopefully don't break my phone. I'm just going to stuff some toilet paper, pretty packed in the bottom of the drain, so you can see that, to try to not get some of this crap in there. So if you do it this way, that's the 2x4, you should be able to pull it out in sections. This tile's on here so bad that it's falling apart. I need my gloves. Taking it out in a chunk like this it's a little bit neater. The tiles weren't bonded very well, so, but that's going to work out perfect for my two little boxes that I have. But you get the idea, and that's all you do. You just keep going at it, going at it. Don't be scared. Don't go so hard that you get in there. You could use a sledge for this, but you really don't need to. So, hopefully that helps. And that's the start of the shower. And a big, big mess.